By now, if you're a Nigerian and you don't have account with Cleva or more, you dey miss big time, big time. Come, let me show you something. Look at this now. I have $10 here, right? $10. Now, let me show you a good part about this account and why you need to have it. One good thing is, if you have account with Cleva, you automatically have a US bank account. And not only that, you are going to have exchange rate at the black market rate. Okay, for instance, now this is $10. Now look at it. Look at the rate. $1 now to Naira will give us the rate of 1,713. Abba. Even if you go to Aboki, okay, you have your dollars now. You go to Aboki, or maybe all this Bureau de change now. They can never sell for you at the rate of 1,700 something. As at now, I'm telling you the fact. Go online, search, go to Aboki. You say you want to exchange at the rate of 1,713. Who born you? But with this Cleva account, they will give you maximum possible high exchange rates. Okay, let's come to Google now and search for $1 to Naira. Now look at it. This is 1,684. That is official rate. And if you go to this Aboki or something like that now, probably you get it something closer to this or around this. But with this, you can get this at a good black market rate. So advantage you have with Cleva is you are going to have US bank account. For instance, now let me show you my own account. Let me click on account here. Okay, now you can see this is my own US bank account. I can use it to receive funds from anywhere. This is West Fargo Bank and account number, everything is just there. So now look at the address of the bank. Say me wey be say I never come up from Nigeria in my life. I don't get account with US. So guys, it's very good. Now let me show you how to create account with them, because I want to show you how to create account with Cleva. You have your bank account, how you can verify your account, and how to withdraw, because I'm going to withdraw this money. So before I go further on this, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, what you can do to compensate my efforts in this channel is to make sure you do these three things. Very, very important. If you want to be seeing more of my videos, first, make sure you like this video. It's very, very important. Two, make sure you drop your comment. You have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You have to turn up the notification. You are going to something like a bell. Click on it. You are going to see all. Now click on all. This will make you to be seeing everything I upload. Anything I upload like this, you don't see them. So when done that, thank you guys. I love you guys. So now let's move on how to set up our own account. Also, I believe many of you also want to have account with US, so that anybody that want to send you money, your uncle, your family, friends, or family, whatever, that want to send you phone, you can easily send them this, and boom, you are going to get your phone. Another good thing about this is within short time frame, boom, they send you money, you have received it. No delay of maybe 24 hours. No. Very fast transaction. So let me walk you through this now. First thing you have to do is to click on the link to get to this homepage to sign up. I will drop the link here. Just check the pinned comment or description to this video. I'm going to put that link there. So once you see that link, click on the link. It will take you to this homepage interface. Now fill up this, put your first name, your last name, then fill up all this. Let me quickly fill this up so that I can show you how to do that. So I put first name and last name. Don't forget your last name is your surname. All right. So when done that, this is Nigeria. Look at the information given us. They say government issued ID card. We can only accept identity documents from countries on this list. We will add more countries soon. Okay, so now here, email address, put your valid email address here, put your phone number here, your password, put it here. And if you click on that link, actually it's a referral link. Click on that link, automatically it's going to give you this my referral code. So using referral code had a lot of benefits. When you sign up, you're going to get your reward immediately. So now look at this place. Now, how did you hear about Cleva? I'm going to put YouTube. You are hearing it from my YouTube channel. So then this one, keep me in the loop. I consent to receiving emails about Cleva, including this is optional anyways. I'm going to click on these two. Now click on create account. Verify your email address. That's the next thing. So I'm going to go, so I will go to my email now, inbox on the spam folder to check if I've gotten email from them. So let me quickly go now. Now look at it now. They have sent me email. So I will click on verify your email button here. Click it. Now look at it. Email verified successfully. Go to login. So this is login page. I'll put my email address, then password. Now I'm going to click on login successful. Oh, boom. Now we have it, guys. This is our account with Cleva. Now successfully we have signed up. So the next thing now is look at it, say your identity needs to be verified. So click here to complete KYC. So the next thing now is to click on this. Click here to complete KYC. So what do they need from us? You need to be aware before you even start. So look here now, they say 3 simple steps to complete KYC. Number 1, provide your personal information, your legal name, date of birth, etc. 2, upload your ID like passport, voter's card, driver's license, or natural ID NIN. I think that is a valid ID card. So the next thing is upload your selfie of you holding your ID. That's all. You have seen it all now. So if you are up to the task, you are ready for this now, just click on get started button here. So the next thing here is let's see it. Tell us about yourself. You put your legal name, that is your first name, followed by a middle name, which is optional. Then your last name, which is your surname. Now followed by date of birth here. ID type. Let's see the option of ID you can use. C, you can use bank verification number, which is BVN. Now when select it, now put your BVN here. Then your address. Now, is it in United States, in Nigeria, or in UK? Which address do you want to use? So fill it up here. So they give the option for this now. Either you are Nigerian residing in outside countries or wherever you are watching this video from, you can fill up this now. Your public profile link you are going to put. So just fill up everything. When fill it up now, you can now click on save and continue. You know, I cannot go far beyond this place now. So now let's talk about how to get your account. Okay, you cannot get your account now. I don't think so. It's until when you're able to do your KYC before you can able to get your account. But let's come to this. I'm still going to, I'll use my personal account to train you on that. You are going to see everything. But before we go there now, let's come to this place. You want to check your setting. Come to this place, click here. You see profile, you see settings, click on settings. So you see many things you can actually set from here. So look at it now. You can check anything about yourself here, settings, or come here. You see your profile, click on profile. So Cleva tag, if you want to put Cleva tag there, you can put it there. And if you want to delete your account, also this is option to delete your account. Now let me use my own account now to show you some other features in advance. That is for verified account. Now very important guys, come and read this. They say benefit of Cleva USD account. Complete your KYC, then open your USD account to enjoy the following benefits. Now look at it. Receive ACH and wire transfers from abroad. From abroad you can receive wire transfer ACH. Even if you are the one residing outside countries, you need to have this so that you can send money to your people, so that you can also keep your money that will going to be in a black market rate, and it's going to favor you a lot guys. Then withdraw from Upwork, Wise, etc. You can use it to withdraw from Upwork for many of you that are into freelancing. All right, then competitive exchange rate. I think I've told you about this now free naira transfer. You will withdraw direct to your account. I'm going to show you this one. So then USD virtual card for online payment. So you need online payment, you know, with Nigeria crazy things now. There's limit on this, on that. You can also have your USD account, USD card like that. So that's USD virtual card. Now let me continue with my own. So this is my own now. So when verified now, you should be able to see probably this one will be 0. So this is USD, and come here is still no. So as at now, this is what option. This is the option they have. Just only USD. Nigeria account coming soon. Transfer more, so you can get account statement, proof of account, fees, tips, or you know, other things. Now let me first talk about card. To get this card right before I will withdraw my money. Withdraw my money is going to be the last thing. So card, now you can click on this cards. So when you click on cards now, I have a lot of virtual cards anyways. I've not even taken off getting it from this place. So you can click on create card from here. So look at it now. It says amount to add to this card is just $1. So to activate it, now click on this and continue. I confirm to pay the one-time fee of $3. So card creation fee is $2. Why amount to add to the card is $1. Then click on, so just $3 to activate your card and click on continue. That's all. So let's talk about withdraw my money now. So to withdraw it now, I come to this transfer here. I have $10 there, right? So click on transfer. Now they're asking where do I want to transfer the money to? Is it to my local bank account in Nigeria here? Actually, I want to sell it to OP. That is where I used to send my money. So or to Cleva tag, you want to send it to another Cleva user, all right? But this one they said daily USD transfer limit is I think $5,000 here. So now I'll click on recipient. Now I will either you click on add new recipient, that's the account you want to send it to, or probably from here recipient you can set it from here. Maybe personally on your account, personally you want to set it there so that anytime you want to transfer money, it's going to be easier for you. You can come to this recipient here. You see I have just OP here. I can add as many as possible here. Click on add new recipient. Let me click it so that you can see. You see now, just so simple. Country, select country. This Nigeria bank. You see a lot of banks, almost all the banks in Nigeria. So you can look for OP or Money Point or Pampay or Zenith Bank or Citibank or even Paga, anywhere and continue like that. So it's just so simple. You know, I know you can do that now. That's not the problem. So now let's go back to home page. Now let me click on transfer. Now from here, add recipient, I'll click on this, select OP I have there already now, and you can also add it from here. Click on add new, you can also add it from here. Now click on, you will send amount of USD I want to send here. Now I'll put 10 USD, 10 USD. So 1 USD equals to 1713. Fee 0. It's free. I will not pay dime, guys. So I'm going to receive 17,130 Nigerian naira. So easy. Now. So add a description. This is actually optional for me. So let me click on continue. And where's my phone? Okay, they want me to check, and so which means I'm going to get this actual amount. Now click on confirm payment. Oh, I have locked it. Let me pull the pin. What's the pin safe? Actually, I think I have forgotten the pin, but let me try this. Oh, great, I got it. It has been sent. Now I'm expecting the payment here. I think I receive. I'm expecting payment here. Expecting the payment. Let me check. Boom! It's instantly, guys, instantly, even within seconds. Honestly, I receive it now within seconds. I don't know if you can actually see it from here, or maybe I don't know if this camera can pick it, or probably I'll put a screenshot on the screen here so that you guys can see. So guys, that is just how to get your fund anytime. And if you are Nigerian residing in outside countries, it's just so easy, guys. So I still have many more to show you guys on payment gateway or anything related to that topic. I have a lot to show you guys, and don't forget, my coming video is still going to be on crypto. All right, if you want to learn more about crypto, guys, I have the videos here, a lot. Go and watch it, a lot, guys. And about other options apart from this Cleva, for many of you that are not from Nigeria, I have a lot here. I have a lot of other options here. Go and watch. I love you guys. See you guys in my next videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you.